Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so let's get into this.
You know. Damn, it's banging. You know. It's banging. Oh, banging. Wow, what's up everybody? Snoopy Eaterz for White back again with another mukbang. Well, this is a car mukbang or a car bang. And today I'm doing the famous Buffalo Wild Wings. I spent a grip over here. They're kind of pricey. So I got a whole bunch of different type of foods here. I got my favorite wings right here, which are these are the Parmesan garlic wings. And they're not too sauced up. So I have a love and hate relationship with Buffalo Wild Wings over here because their wings used to be really small. They look a little bigger now, so that's all right. I got some onion rings over here. I don't really want to tilt this stand right here so that nothing falls. I also have their Dirty Dubs loaded tater tots, which comes with a whole bunch of beautifulness on there. But Wild Wings, Buffalo Wild Wings messed up. They didn't give me no fork, no nothing in there. About a block back there. I found a nice place to film, so we're about to get it in. So we'll do the wings. And I got some dip right here, and I got 7-Up to drink. So cheers, y'all. Let me kind of adjust this a little bit. All right. Anyway, how's everybody doing, man? It is beautiful weather going on out here in Northern Ontario. Check it out. Yeah. Happy Wing Wednesday. Got some blue cheese and ranch over here. So we're in Barrie, Ontario, at a massive plaza right across. Way back behind me, it's a Costco, Walmart, EB Games, all that stuff in the back. Got a Michael's in front of me over here. A work clothing warehouse, Home Sense, camera place back there. Structure Furniture, I don't know about them. Urban Barn, Furniture Accents, Marshalls. We got a big old Calebas over there, whatever it's called. I think it's like fishing gear, hunting gear. Atmosphere Sports Check, Golf Town, Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond, and my favorite burger place, Burgers Priest behind me. I've never had their onion rings, but we're gonna try it out. Of course, I'm gonna dip it. Of course. I'm gonna give it a little dipsy right here. Get a little crunch action for y'all. Shout out to the two people who inspired me to want to do this video, and that's Quan Tram and Twilight ASMR. I tried one of them tater tots. They're banging. They're really, really good. And I only tried whatever they had on it. They have like green onion and jalapeno peppers and this crazy looking sauce. It looks really good. Comment down below what's your favorite thing from Buffalo Wild Wings, and if you've tried the Dirty Dubs tater tots. Now, I've eaten in my car many times. I've done several car bangs. More than half of them failed, so I never uploaded them, but I should have, but I didn't like it. But shout out to everybody that mastered the car mukbang, because I'm telling you right now, it's not an easy thing at all. Some of the masters at the car bang I'm gonna give a shout out to, of course, Quantran, Twilight, ASMR, Lil Gilmore Eats, Black Hoodie. And as I browse through to watch my videos, I seen a whole bunch of other people. I'm gonna go check them out. Guys, like my boy Quantran says, quick times, super banging with this one. Mm-hmm. I got about 10-15 minutes of whatever's left of the sun left before it starts to get darker. I'm enjoying these onion rings better than these chicken wings. They're nice and crunchy, flavorful. Wish I had some ice in a glass or a cup. So I'm using that tray that I got information from Twilight about. Works pretty good. It's not that big, but it's big enough to hold a combo. I got my mount, but I got another one that I'm ordering because I might try to put it on the glass to see if I can get an aerial view pointing down so you guys can see more over here. But this is the best view that I can get out of it so far, so I'm working with it, y'all. In all praises, I get blessings, and next year, hopefully, maybe even the year after. I'm trying to push for next year. Next year, September time, maybe a little bit later, I'm trying to get a new vehicle. So a nice little SUV will have way more space, and then I can shoot better car videos. But I don't know, not a bad weekend. Back to the grind. Been managing to squeeze in an extra hour, 45 minutes to 2 hours of sleep. So that's always a plus. And shout out to my twin, Amy Moore. She's back, y'all. Amy Moore is back. If you guys don't know who she is, go check her out. She's doing some pretty big things. Congratulations, Amy, on all your success. And one thing I'll say about Amy is, no matter how busy she is, you know, we all get busy and time goes by. You probably won't hear from certain people here and there a lot. But we got to respect their hustle and their life and their get down. But she always pops up and messages me. And I'll message her back. So that's what's up. Amy Amor. You got to come to Toronto so we can go to Jollibee and then pick up a box of Krispy Kreme donuts, and then we'll make burgers out of them. Excuse me. Starting to get dark now. And a huge general shout out to everybody, man. All my few newer subscribers on my channel is just picking up speed again, slowly but surely. So I'm working on different ideas for mukbangs. I want to do some outdoors mukbang, man. Shout out to Cuz OAB. She be out there, man, like this nice forest area on the bench and doing the seafood thing out there and just chilling. It's just beautiful to be out in nature, man. It's nice to get out, even if you just get out, walk for like 5-10 minutes up the street and back, or take a drive. The other day I went around the corner to family friends that live just like 6-7 minutes drive from me. So when I say I live on the beach, we're about a 4 or 5 minute drive from the street that takes you to the beach, right? But their house is on the beach, on the lake. So when you go to the backyard, they have the backyard door from the kitchen, and then around the sides has a nice long deck with boats. And when you look out, all you see is the water. You see decks all over the place of people out there fishing, people out there swimming. There's boats up and down, and there's a massive island like far out in the center that I want to check that place out. But it's most likely privately owned with people with a lot of big decks, you know what I mean, out there doing it. But yeah, it's nice to get out. It's good for your mental, especially with all the stuff that we've been going through this last year, especially these last several months. So if you can, just get out, get some air, slow your thinking down, don't overthink things, research and study everything, stay focused, stay prayed up, meditate, do what you got to do, stay fit. And my remedy for good health for myself personally, because I'm not a doctor, but I do doctor myself, is laughter. Have a good time, you know what I'm saying? If it's your video game, if it's shooting hoop, riding your bike, watching a comedy, or spending time with, you know, real close ones, loved ones, whatever it is, your kids, whatever. Do it more often now. We have the time to do it now. But some of us are still working, you know. It's just crazy, the ones that are just stuck in the house, you know. There's just a lot of stuff going on. I can just imagine, like, the strain is putting on a lot of people's mental, and it's not a good thing, you know what I mean? But at the same time, don't rush to the doctors to go let them push pills, and you just, you know, take your time. Like I said, get out there in nature. And it's a good thing too. Walk barefoot in the grass and ground yourself, take in the sun, and kind of slow down a bit, you know what I mean? Slow down and take life in, because time flies as fast as, I mean, just like not too long ago, I felt like I just woke up, you know, jumped on the video game, and I was like, oh man, you know, I need to go get something to eat, come out and chat with you guys for a minute. And it's almost nighttime already. All right, so back to the grind and do what we got to do. But you can it's what you make of it, right? So you can just take it and flip it, you know. So with me, especially like at work, I always have my Samsung AirPods in. I put on my YouTube. I listen to whatever, whether it's music or documentary or whatever, something I'm always studying, always learning, always listening to something. And it keeps me going through the day. Before you know it, even though I'm a little bit tired, the day's done, start the next one. Next thing you know, boom, the weekend's here again, baby. So it's all good. But I'm going to get up out of here, you guys. I only have a couple chickens left. Excuse me. Pretty much almost demolished all of these onion rings. This was a big box of onion rings. I really wanted to try those tots for you guys. I'm gonna have to do it again. But you have to use a fork. You can't eat it with your hands. It's full of sauce, full of goodies in there. I'll give you guys a quick look before I leave. One of my favorite stores back there, Best Buy. I could browse the electronic aisles, every single one of them. Movies, games, gadgets or whatnot. Oh my. And I'm thinking about coming back and doing some lives like I used to do. I know it's been a while. I would kind of honestly say I kind of lost the rhythm for it a little bit, because it's for two reasons. Life is just extremely busy. And it's just like, damn, I remember, man, I used to go live. When Amy came live, I was just like, oh man, just brought back, you know, for the last 3 to 4 years, all of us that used to live stream, you know, between like 18, 30, 40 people in your chat, in and out. All the good fans, all the fellow YouTubers and supporters that are out there. It's a beautiful thing. So yeah, so that's just my words of encouragement for today's mukbang. Car mukbang, car bang, car bizzle. We keep it banging over here, you know. And I will, as soon as my really dear friend of mine recovers, we will get into getting people's merch and stuff out there. So it's always on my mind. It's not forgotten. Taking some time, I know, but you're not forgotten. Alrighty. All right, so let's move this out the way. This is pretty neat though. You just gotta be careful with it. This little tray right here I got from Amazon, like 20 something bucks. Got the cup holder, all that good stuff. You just gotta clean it up before you use it and you're good to go. I toss this one right back here. And it stays there until I use it again. All right, so now I'm gonna be on oh, she gave me wet wipes. I'm about to say, because all the sticky stuff on my hands. She tossed it in here. There we go. All right, y'all. Well, it's been good. Life can always get better, but you got to work hard and grind, right? But for the most part, it's been good. And you could always reach out and talk to someone, right? If you're dealing with anything. All right, well, I wish you guys the best. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I hope you guys enjoy my Korean mukbang video, which I really enjoyed filming. And I really enjoy talking about Kingdom Man, because that show, I can talk about it all the time. I'm always talking about it. And there's other shows too. I was watching Locked Up, but that one's in Spanish. You know what? Maybe I could put that one in English too. That one's in Spanish. But this one chick, she is not penitentiary material at all. Ends up catching a case with some serious time and goes in there with a whole bunch of different type of women, man, in the penitentiary, and then it goes down. It is crazy. But it's a really, really, really good show called Locked Up. I think it's Locked Up or something like that. But yeah, if you guys are interested in shows and stuff like that, leave me in the comments if you have a show you want to recommend. I pretty much will spend hours amongst hours just browsing different shows and movies, saving ones that I think are good by watching the trailer, which ones catch my eye and all that good stuff. So, but I am about to sign out. I'm not going to keep you guys no longer. Like I said, stay blessed. Get out there in the outdoors. I love you guys. Keep it crispy. Stay focused. Keep it banging. You know.